everyone, welcome to weather. So firstly, we touched on El Nino, so now we get into ENSO and what that actually means. Now ENSO, EN stands for El Nino and SO stands for Southern Oscillation. So ENSO is that entire term which describes this natural phenomenon involving fluctuating ocean temperatures in the central and eastern equatorial Pacific. And this is accompanied by changes in the overlying atmosphere. So the El Nino Southern Oscillation comprises of three phases. These include the El Nino, which is the warm phase, La Nina, the cold phase, and then the neutral phase. So El Nino and La Nina are the opposing oceanic components, while the Southern Oscillation is the atmospheric counterpart, which together give rise to the term El Nino Southern Oscillation. So now that we've covered that all together, we are transitioning from that El Nino to neutral conditions, and this is likely to start April with increasing odds for a La Nina developing in August 2024. Now, checking the satellite image, an area of low pressure to the northeast of the Lesser Antilles is still expected to dissipate into a trough over the next couple of days, likely causing some surface convergence across the Lesser Antilles. Meanwhile, high pressure north of the area combined with the Colombian low will support pulses of fresh to strong northeast to east winds over the south central Caribbean through Sunday night and in the Gulf of Honduras through Saturday night. And moderate to fresh trade winds over the southeast Caribbean will reach fresh to strong speeds at night tonight and into Thursday night. Meanwhile, gentle to moderate winds will prevail elsewhere. Meanwhile, Saharan dust concentration in the atmosphere is expected to be mostly mild, becoming mild to moderate at times from Thursday, 7th March, with air quality generally good and moderate in San Fernando, Trinidad. Also remember, when close to bush or forest fires, air quality will be reduced, so take care. Now back to current conditions. Today's high at Piarco was 32.3 degrees Celsius, and right now it's at 30. Over at Crown Point, today's high was at 30.8 degrees Celsius, and right now it's at 29 degrees Celsius. So looking at tonight's forecast, Tobago, you can expect a mostly fair night alongside a nighttime low at 26 degrees Celsius for Crown Point. And in Piarco, you can expect a minimum temperature at 23 degrees Celsius, and you can also expect fair and cool conditions, though with a few showers around. Then on into Thursday in Tobago, you can look forward to predominantly sunny and breezy weather, and temperature-wise, a max at 32 degrees Celsius can be expected at Crown Point, though feeling like a 36. And for Trinidad, also, you can expect a sunny and breezy Thursday, though there may be occasionally partly cloudy periods with few showers. And temperature-wise, another high at 33 degrees Celsius can be expected. However, that is going to feel like 37. And checking ahead now, Friday, we are keeping with this trend, it seems, so we'll see those sunny skies, and though breezy at times, watch out for that chance of showers. And into the start of your weekend, Saturday, it is looking predominantly hot and sunny, so maybe a good plan to do some outdoor activities over the weekend. And for mariners, seas are now slight to moderate with waves up to 2 meters in open waters and less than 1 meter in sheltered areas. And your high tides for Port of Spain will be at 2:23 a.m. and 1:45 p.m. with low tides at 7:25 a.m. and back at 8:24 p.m. And over at Scarborough, high tides will be at 2 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. while low tides will be at 7:15 a.m. and back at 8:18 p.m. Now for your recap, still a mixed bag of conditions ahead, so always keep your umbrellas close at hand. Back to you, Keisha.